This is Math Studies, Section 4.3, Independent Events. Independent events are events that do not affect each other. For example, when you roll a pair of dice, one doesn't affect the other, or when you draw a card from a deck and then put it back, it's not going to affect the next card that you draw. To find the probability of two independent events happening, probability of A and B, you multiply the probability of A times the probability of B. Example A, the probability that it will rain on Monday is 25%. The probability that it will rain on Tuesday is 40%. What is the probability that it will rain on Monday and Tuesday, assuming that these probabilities are independent? Probability of Monday and Tuesday is the probability that it will rain on Monday times the probability that it will rain on Tuesday. 0.25 for Monday times 0.4 for Tuesday equals 0.1. B, what is the probability of flipping a head on a coin and rolling a 4 on a die? These are independent events. Flipping a head on a coin and rolling a 4 on a die aren't affected by each other. So the probability of a head and a 4 would be the probability of getting a head times the probability of getting 4. Rolling a head is 1 out of 2. Rolling a 4 is 1 out of 6. The product is 1 out of 12. Example C, a jar contains 4 red marbles and 3 green marbles. Find the probability of drawing a red marble, replacing it, drawing a green marble, replacing it, and then drawing a red marble. Since the marbles are replaced after every draw, each of these events are independent. So if we want the probability of a red and a green and a red, we do the probability of red times the probability of green times the probability of red. There are 4 reds out of 7 total, times 3 greens out of 7 total, times again 4 reds out of 7 total. That gives us 48 out of 343. Example D, A and B are independent events. The probability of A and B is 0.15. The probability of B is 0.2. Find the probability of A. Since these events are independent, we know that the product should equal the probability of both events. 0.15 equals the probability of A times 0.2. If we divide the equation by 0.2, these 0.2s would eliminate. 0.15 divided by 0.2 gives us the probability of A, which is 0.75.